So, may bago silang road going to Dubai Mall. Ito na tayo guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, excited si Georjess guys. Ayan.
Good morning.
Say good morning, Georgie. Today is Friday. We always going out every Friday talaga. Normal talaga yan sa amin. So today, we're taking you to Dubai Mall. Yan. Pupunta kami sa Dubai Aquarium. So, may malaking aquarium inside Dubai Mall. So, dadalhin namin ulit si Georgie kasi last time pumunta kami is maliit pa si Georgie. So ngayon mas ma-enjoy niya ang mga isda sa loob ng aquarium. Ipapakita ko sa inyo papuntang Dubai Mall. So dyan, yun yung Burj Khalifa. Ayan. Bago silang road going to Dubai Mall kasi normally go straight kami eh. The map taking us the new Dubai Mall. That's cool. Dinala kami sa sa new building ng Dubai Mall, extension siya.
We have to go across the corridor.
Yeah, lisod kaayo mag-park.
A few moments later.
Ito na tayo guys, ang ganda. Ayan, wala pang masyadong katao-tao kasi new building siya.
This is your new shop, Georgie.
Maaga kami. So normally talaga lumalabas kami ng 10:30 para makauwi ng alas 2 para nap time for Georgie. Sabi ni Daddy, ayaw niya mag-coffee or snack kasi nag-crave siya ng Philly steak and ako naman mag-Jollibee. Yay! Ayan, punta tayo sa old building. Ayan. Maganda sana guys pag hapon kasi nakabukas yung fountain nila pero bihira lang kami lumalabas pag hapon guys. Oh look, who's that? Take me photo, that one, Darth Vader. So ayan, palapit na tayo ng palapit. Ayan, niwan ako ni Daddy. Look, holding hands while walking.
Shut up.
Holding hands while walking. Ay, lagi kami tinitingnan mga ka-friendship kasi everywhere we go, we always hold our hands. Ayan.
A few moments later.
It says discover an underwater zoo inside. Yeah, there's a baby shark. It is big, isn't it? Oh, naman! It's too big! It's too big! I know! They're hiding in the side. Excited si Georjess guys. Ayan.
I see little stingray, Mommy.
You see the little stingray? Yes. They're too big. So look at the stingray guys. Ayan. Say it again.
This is too small.
Yeah, that's too small. But you have to sit down here so you can see it. Because if you go down, you cannot see it.
That's too big.
She's free.
We got 2 tickets so we can take Georgie downstairs and
It's a stingray,
look around the
yes.
big aquarium. So,
Should we go
free si
inside?
Georgie. Papasok tayo sa loob.
Should we go inside?
No.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come on, then.
Wow. Did you follow me?
Big shark. Big shark.
Big shark. So, we go this side first. Thank you. Wow. Ayan.
Tiger shark.
So that's the shark. Tiger shark. That's how big it is. 5 meters.
It is,
All right,
after
let's
70
go.
seconds.
Let's go. Let's go. What you call that?
Otter.
Otto?
Probably waiting for food. No, there he is. No, there he is. They're very friendly.
Are they?
Yeah, otters.
Ah.
No, there they are. Woo! Say wave. Hello, Miss Roger. That's the house. Yeah.
So that one called Otter Encounter. So yan siya, guys. Let's find
Look at
other
the big bump on
animals.
his head. Wow. He's swimming down. Enormous. Look at his big eyes. Wow, he'd eat you, Georgie. Would he?
It's what do you call that fish? Yeah, very nice. All right, let's find other animals. So, come on, let's go with Daddy. It's a turtle.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, let's find other animals now.
Oh, look, there's a big rat, Georgie. Look, Mommy.
Hala, it looks like head. It looks like head. You know, head of a human. Na-amaze ako sa loob kasi hindi namin in-expect na ang dami palang isda sa loob, as in aquarium talaga. Ang daming different type of fishes na malalaki na hindi ko kilala. Ayan, papakita ko pa sa inyo iba. Daddy, there's a baby crocodile. There's a crocodile there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, crocodile.
Oh,
there.
climbing up.
Oh, it's climbing on the wall. There's another one here. It's a spider. Hello. Is it funny? Is it funny? So we'll see what's in here. Yeah, you can step on it.
You can step on it because it's glass. See, look at the fishes. Oh.
Yeah, there's more fishes there. Hala,
Wow, look how big he is. He's massive.
hala.
That's
That's mommy and baby.
Mommy and Georgie.
5 minutes later.
Ayan, baba tayo. Tingnan natin dito kung ano meron. Look, Georgie, there's an egg, oh. Egg. I don't know if that's a crocodile egg. It's a spider. Is it spider?
Oh, it's spiky, isn't it? They got a long nose.
Oh, big crab, Daddy.
It's got a long nose.
No, big crab.
Wow, look at that big crab.
Souvenir.
Wow, look at the fishes, Georgie.
Huh?
Look, Georgie, look.
What's this, Daddy? Is that
It's like
real
an eel.
one?
Yeah, it's like an eel. It's like a snake. Can I look what it is?
I know, look.
You see his tail sticking out the
It's
other end.
amazing, no? Is it amazing?
Is it amazing, Georgie?
Is it amazing? I don't need it, Daddy.
You'd be a mermaid, look.
That's good. That's good to have for you. But look, she picked purple one, Daddy. That's your favorite color. So look, she hugged. Souvenir.
Are you going to carry it all day? Yeah, you carry it all day.
It's a souvenir. Georgie, do you have money to pay for it?
Are you going to pay? Can you give that to the man? Give that. And your fish. And your fish. That's it. And give him your money.
Do you have money?
Where's your money? Have you got any money?
I have no money.
You don't have any money? Oh dear.
What will you say?
Say thank
Say
you.
thank you. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Ayan. Ang
Yeah,
lalaki.
you see.
Ang lalaki ng shark. Ayan o. Ayan. Ang laki.
Look at the thickness of the glass.
Ayan sila din. Oh, it's very thick.
See how thick the glass is?
Yeah, it's very thick. Ayan guys, meron kaming family photo souvenir. 150 each. Pero sabi may sale. I mean may discount. So I paid 200 dirhams instead of 300. Which is not bad.
A few moments later.
Mommy gonna have Jollibee. Not busy yet because it's still early. Mamaya pa to maging busy guys pag mamayang hapon kasi mga tao tulog pa. Kasi weekend sa UAE is Friday and Saturday. Finally kakain tayo ng Jollibee.
Baby.
Jollibee? Jollibee, ayan o, Jollibee. 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 Jollibee, bida ang saya. Sa Jollibee.
5 minutes later.
So, lunch tayo guys. Georgie, nag-milk. Si Mommy, may
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Daddy is Charlie's and Philly's steak. Ayan. Ayan, kain muna tayo kay nagutom.
Much later.
You're walking like a penguin. Huh? She see the penguin there? Where's the penguin? Walk like a penguin? Because I'm laughing.
5 minutes later.
Okay, Georgie wants to go to the water fountain. Guys, see, when me and Luz came here and we ride a taxi dropped them off there.
Yeah, Shuk al Baha.
So andito tayo sa labas. Yan yun. Ayan yung address mall, address building. that yellow